Sa ibang balita naman, inihayag ni Pangulong Noynoy Aquino na nangunguna pa rin si DILG Secretary Mar Rojas sa listahan ng Liberal Party para maging standard bearer sa 2016 elections. Ayon sa Pangulo, hintayin na lamang ang kanyang anunsyo na posibleng isagawa pagkatapos ng kanyang State of the Nation address sa darating na Hulyo. Narito ang ulat ni Rocky Ignacio.
Pagkatapos ng State of the Sosona ni Pangulo Aquino, posibleng i-anunsyo magiging standard bearer ng administration party sa 2016 elections. Bagamat patuloy pa ang proseso ng pagpili, kinumpirma nito na top choice pa rin ng partido si DILG Secretary Mar Rojas.
As far as our coalition is concerned, he is at the top of the list. Now, we are still undergoing a lot of consultations and we will have a consensus, and hopefully there might be a little more delay when we announce, probably after the SONA, yung who we will be endorsing. But we just want this dialogue to be as thorough and encompassing as possible with all the sectors that are involved.
Taliwasaan niya sa mga naglalabasan sa pahayagan na tila hindi kinukonsidera ng coalition party si Rojas. Nauna nang inamin ng Pangulo na kinausap niya si Senator Grace Poe para talakayin ang ipinatutupad na agenda ng mabuting pamamahala. Pero iginiit na hintayin na lamang opisyal ng pag-aanunsyo na magiging pambato sa susunod na taong halalan sa pagkapangulo.
I was surprised to read in certain publications that parang it's as if he is not being considered to be the standard bearer of our coalition. No? Parang I find it strange na bakit gano'n, no? He has quite a wide range of expertise in so many different assignments. He's a valuable member of the cabinet. He has been a staunch leader of the party even during the days that we were in the opposition. And kumbaga, he has demonstrated, di ba, even the ability to sacrifice.
Samantala, naniniwala ang Pangulo na nakasalalay pa rin kung paano masasagot ni Vice President Jojo Marbinay ang mga aligasyon laban sa kanya sa umano'y pananatili nitong nangunguna bilang presidential candidate sa mga survey. Sinabi ito ng Pangulo sa umano'y si Binay pa rin ang umanong magiging mahigpit na katunggali sa 2016 elections.
Yung that he has been at the forefront of the challenges, we look at all of the surveys. But at the same time, I think that question rests on his ability to be able to answer all the allegations that he is being confronted with at this present time.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Rocky Ignacio.